Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope that you are doing well. I'm sorry I missed you guys last week. I lost track of time over the weekend. We're trying to squeeze in like every last possible thing that we want to do before we leave. And then I ended up getting a cold during the week, which was such a bummer, but I'm kind of on the other side of it now. So still a little bit sniffly and my voice sounds a bit funny in my head, but definitely feeling a lot better. This was my second cold of the season, which I think is just my like West Coast body totally rejecting the cold weather that we've had. If you guys are from the East Coast, you have to let me know. Is this like prolonged winter into April and now May always a thing? Or are we just having a super long winter this year? Anyway, all that being said, feeling a lot better, well rested, and definitely had a nice relaxing weekend, although we did check off some other stuff since I had started to feel better. Now I'm sitting down to film my April favorites for you guys, which is crazy. Another month has passed. May is definitely going to be a bittersweet month because we are doing the second part of our cross-country road trip, which is heading back to the West Coast, which is really exciting, but then that also means that we are leaving New York, which will be very sad. We've definitely enjoyed our time here, and I think if we had a few more weeks, neither of us would be very upset. So let me dive into the products that I've really been liking. I just feel like things have been so simple here. I'm like kind of looking forward to getting back to all the clothes that I left behind because I've been wearing the same outfit for what, like 8 weeks now. All of the like skincare variety that I left behind because I have my whole collection there, and then definitely all of the makeup that I left behind because I enjoy kind of picking and choosing the products that I use. Although it's been nice and very simple to have a very minimal collection, I am missing that variety a little bit. So looking forward to that, but there were a few products that I really gravitated towards, and actually 2 of them are newer products. One that I had brought with me, and then one that had been gifted to me since being here. But let's start with makeup. I actually only have one makeup favorite, and I've mentioned this in a few videos, but this is the Westman Atelier Lit Up Highlight Stick. You guys know I'm a sucker for just a good natural highlighting product, and this one just gives the skin such a nice glow. They do have it in different shades, and I feel like this runs a little bit cool on your skin, so I'm wondering if for deeper complexions it might be nice to try some of the warmer shades. But you can see when I put it on the back of my hand, you just get this really beautiful kind of like opal sheen to your skin that blends out to be really natural, and it's that totally lit from within, non-glitter, no sparkle kind of highlight that just feels very, very natural and is 100% up my alley. I have it in the mini size here, and I kind of love that they came out with this mini set. I feel like how often do we all finish our products, and being able to try 3 minis from them was really nice. So it came with this highlight stick, it came with one of their contour sticks, and then my favorite blush in Petal. So they sell that at Credo. I'll have that link down below. But I just thought it was a really nice opportunity to get to try like a wide variety of products from this line, and then definitely a lot of their best sellers. I also really like this one because, as I've mentioned in previous videos, you can kind of leave it concentrated. So if I put it right at my inner corner, I can leave it like pretty concentrated here, or I can really just blend it out to be very natural above my brow. So there's a little bit of variety with it. It is a slippery product, so if you have very oily skin, you might not like it, but you might not want this sort of highlight anyway if you have a lot of dew to your skin naturally. Okay, moving on to skincare. True Botanicals gifted me some of their products, and I have been testing them out. One product that I was really excited to try out that I ended up loving, which I thought I would, is their Ginger Turmeric Cleansing Balm. I really like how they repackage their products. They feel like really weighty and luxurious, and they're all glass, I believe. It smells so good. I'm a sucker for a good cleansing balm, and especially since I've been wearing a lot of SPF to try and like combat some pigmentation, I need something to kind of get off that first layer of like city dirt and SPF, and then I can go in with a cleanser. So I really like pairing this with the Emma Lewis Ham oil cleanser afterwards because that has more active properties to it, whereas this is kind of like to get off the grime of the day. It's a yellowy balm that when you actually apply it turns into more of like a thick oil, and you can immediately see like your makeup, your eye makeup start to rub off and start to run, and then you can splash your face with water, and it does emulsify, but I find it easiest to take this off with a cloth. I really like the scent of it. I think especially when I'm feeling congested, either from like allergies or cold, there's something about applying this at the end of the day that I feel like it goes like through my sinuses and just kind of like opens the passageways. I don't know if that's placebo, but there is something about the scent that just feels really warm, really comforting, and super relaxing to be breathing in, especially at the end of the day. I'm trying a few of their other products too, so I will keep you guys posted on those, but just know right out of the gate, absolutely loving this. It does come with a little spatula that you can use. I've just been washing my hands before I put my fingers in to dip it out, but you can definitely use the little spatula that it comes with. Next up is hair, and I don't actually have the product because it's in my shower right now and it's like tiny and little because I've just been using it so much. But this is the Audacité shampoo bar. This is their mini travel size, so there's a lot larger one, but I had stuck this in my bag before I left because I thought this would be a great shampoo bar to use when we're here, and I wanted to avoid having to like buy anything when we were out here because I knew it was only for a couple months and I wasn't sure if I would finish a whole shampoo bottle or what. So I brought this here and I absolutely love the idea of it. The fact that you're eliminating a lot of plastic. Once you're done with it, you're done with it. And I have been interested in trying bar shampoos before, but I've always kind of worried about like how effective they are. I feel like they have a really bad reputation and I kind of believe that reputation. So I was nervous to try this, especially with like such long hair, thick hair, and a lot of hair. With some of the like Conscious Beauty brand shampoos, it is hard to get my hair clean because they leave kind of oils behind. So I was worried about this, but honestly, this is the best bar shampoo that I have tried ever. It has a really wonderful scent to it. It's light and citrusy and fresh, and it does a good job of sudsing up in your hair. What you do is you actually just use the bar itself in your hair. So you hold it in your hand and kind of like shampoo as you would, and you can feel it getting sudsy. And what I like about this too is that I can like really direct where I need more product. So for me, like the underside of my hair gets a little bit oilier and so does the front, but the back is kind of dry, so I don't need as much product there. So since you're holding the shampoo bar, you can really direct like where you need the most cleansing. I just use this with whatever conditioner I have on hand, but this was really a wonderful find and has definitely encouraged me to try more bar products. So I think when I get home, I believe I have the full size in my bathroom closet, so I'm going to be using the full size of this. And then I want to try and find a bar conditioner too. So if you guys have any recommendations, let me know. Ideally, I'd love to move away from the plastic bottles. One store that I haven't gone to yet, which I really want to go to before we leave, is the Zero Waste store or No Packaging store or something like that. I forgot what the name of it is, but it was like the store that a woman who runs Trash is for Tossers. She was in a whole bunch of articles a few years ago where all of her trash for 1 year fit in like a mason jar. And then she opened this store, which is all about like package-free products. So I really want to stop by because I know that there's one in the city. I feel like a shampoo bar like this is definitely up their alley, so I wonder if they carry it there. Okay, last favorite is more of a lifestyle favorite, but I thought I would throw it out there just because since being here and being in a city, I haven't really been carrying a handbag that much. I don't know, it's just like an extra thing to have on your body and have to like navigate with when you're around so many different people. But what I have been using is this little wallet thing that goes on the back of your phone. I have an iPhone. This is from Apple, but I'm sure if you don't have an iPhone, they sell stuff that's just like this. The cool thing about this is it's magnetic, so it just like sticks onto the back of your phone, and it actually lets your phone know when it's attached and when it's detached. So if it was to ever fall off, it will tell you the last location that it fell off at, but it's pretty secure on there, and it just holds a few cards. I usually have like 2 credit cards and my ID in here, and it fits perfectly. You can stick cash in here, and it's just nice because it means all you have to have with you is your phone, and you can stick that in your pocket easily, and then you just don't have to worry about a purse or anything. So I thought I would throw that out there because it's just been super handy to have here, and I always see phone accessories like this and I'm like, is it worth it? Should I actually get something like this? In this instance, yes, it was. So definitely am using this and really enjoying having this here. All right, those were all of my April favorites. I hope you all enjoyed this. I hope all of you had a really wonderful month of April, and we'll have an even better month of May. We're definitely heading into warmer months, which will be great. We will be back in the California sunshine soon, which will be nice, although there's going to be a lot that I will miss about the East Coast, so hopefully we will be back very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, I hope you consider subscribing, and if you're not new and came back for another video, then thank you so much. It means the world to me. Like I said, I'm wishing you all a really wonderful month of May, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye.